Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are gonna cook Pancit Canton. Here's spicy Pancit Canton, and here's sour Pancit Canton. So where's that little? Okay, we have to wash this first. It's already clean, but we have to wash it, guys. Now let's put it in half on the, let's just wait. That's, I think it's okay. Let's see if it is medium half. Here. Okay. We have to put it in the mixing. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. Now, let's put this here. Let's boil the water first because it's still not cooked. We have to cook the water. Okay, let's on it. Can you please on it? Okay, and now open it on. Oh, there. A little lower. We will just put it here. There. Let's pick out the noodles. Let's shake it first. Let's shake. And then open it. Okay, opening. So here's the noodle. It mixed with spiciness. So we don't want to be, okay. And we will just put the noodle here, let's mix it together so it can, so it can be combined. Okay. So let's throw this in the trash. Sorry, it's a little messy in our trash. So, but it's okay. Right? So here is this is for the lemon, and here's for the spicy one. So let's just not combine them because we might get into trouble. Maybe we'll get in trouble from my Lola. While we wait, let's phone the phone for a minute. Okay. Now it is cooked, so please open the, Oh my god. Okay. It is still boiling, but it's ready. Let's pour these out. Okay. First, let's pour this. Are you sure? Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh. Now let's get the spoon. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, so let's dip it in. So all stirred. So let's wait until it is ready. Let's wait. Okay. Let's see. Oh no! What's happening? What's going on? god, it's bursting up. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm totally scared, guys. I'm totally scared. Whoa, it's just like a river. Turn it off, turn it off. There. Okay, let's just stir it. Just a little. Okay, let's stir it until it's well and perfect. And stir and stir and stir. Okay, that's enough. Time to turn it off. Time to turn it off. Okay. Well, in this ready. So let's just mix it for another while. And okay, ready. It's all ready. Let's use this thing to pour out the noodles and we will just pour out the water and let's just, things. Come on, let's just pour it. Come on. It's okay. Don't be scared. Now let's pour it in, but just a little. Now let's pour these seasonings. Here. Here's the hot one and here's the cold. Here's the sour one. Okay? Let's open this first. The hot one. Let's give it a little tap. Okay, it's all done. Let's pour this out then. Let's put it here. And let's always this first. Okay. Let's check it out and pour it out. So now let's just mix it up. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This looks so delicious. Now it's all ready. Then let's taste this spicy one. Let's just cut a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's taste it. So spicy. Yummy. Whew. Now let's try this sour one. Just a little. Hey, oops. A little sour, but yummy and sour. Now let's throw these out. Okay, let's throw these things out. Okay, let's put it in the garbage bin. Okay. Now let's serve it for my family. Okay, I hope. That is what I made today. Okay, now let's try the sour one first because I like sour and also I like hot.
my god. So sour. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye guys. Bye.